Hey, what's going on, cruisers? Specifically, my 311 cruisers, excitable ones, about ready to go to the Bahamas. Can't wait. 311 cruise number 8. Let's have a blast. So, this video is going to be for people that have never gone on a cruise, and specifically have never gone on a 311 cruise. Now, you can YouTube it. You're going to have all kinds of tips, all kinds of tricks, things to do, things not to do. How do I do this? How do I do that? What do I bring? This is a video of 6 important things to make your vacation and all of everybody else that's their vacation not suck. It is 6 things that you need to know, and make sure you pay attention to the 6th one, because that's probably the most important one for our music community. The first thing, paperwork. You're gonna get to port, you're gonna have your luggage, you're gonna have a carry-on bag, and you're gonna have luggage you give to the porters that'll bring your bags on the ships for you. Make sure your paperwork to get on the boat is not in those checked bags. You're gonna hear it from everybody in all the tips videos. It's really important. Make sure your identification, your boarding paperwork, all your other stuff, make sure all of that is in your carry-on luggage, because the bags you give to your porter, you're not gonna see them until after you've been on the ship for like an hour or 2. Keep your paperwork in your carry-on luggage. Number 2, when you get on the boat, everybody has their phone with them. Last minute text, last minute messages, last minute this, last minute that. Biggest thing you can do, put your phone in airplane mode. Put your phone in airplane mode. Use it. You're gonna have it for pictures, you're gonna have it for video, you're gonna have it if you get the Wi-Fi package. Put your phone in airplane mode. You don't want those nasty roaming charges. That's a fact. Number 3, don't be rude to crew. Don't be rude to the room staff. Don't be rude to the chefs. Don't be rude to the bartenders. Don't be rude to any of the 6-man staff when you're on the 311 cruise. Don't be rude to the crew. They're working hard, and if there's a problem, go see customer service, but don't be rude to them. They're working long hours, and they're here working for you. Enjoy it, and they will too. Number 4, this one you're gonna see in all the videos. They make compilations videos of this. It's funny until it's you. Don't be late getting back on the boat when you go to port. You go to Nassau, you go to Great Stirrup Cay. Don't be late getting back on the boat. The boat will not wait for you. Self-explanatory. Number 5, don't bring politics on board. We all have different beliefs. It's a crazy, crazy world we live in right now. Leave your politics and your religion off the boat. Let's rock out, enjoy this, and have fun. No politics on board. That's an important rule. And number 6, by far the most important rule on a music cruise, 311 music cruise, all of the bands that you're gonna see, The Movement, Andy Frasco, Unity All-Stars, Red, Gold, Green, on and on and on. They are gonna be just like you and me. You're gonna see them roaming all over the boat when they're not playing. They're gonna be rocking out to other bands with you, dancing, having fun, drinking, partying it up. Don't go after and berate the musicians. It doesn't matter how big of a fan you are. Be normal, be civil. You'd be surprised. Some people get starstruck, oh, whatever. They're normal people like me and you. You are gonna see them. They're gonna be around. They're gonna be everywhere. Enjoy, have fun, rock on. 311, baby.